Hello, hi. Blake here from MyDologyMotorsports.com, and I'm here to announce the winners of our first giveaway. Before I do, let me just say I feel like this giveaway was a big success. We had 459 total entries, which was honestly way more than I expected. And to everyone that entered, thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. We're giving away three things. We're giving away an Anker A1 dash cam, Anker Rove A1 dash cam with a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. We're giving away a Modology Motorsports t-shirt, like I'm wearing here. And we're giving away a Modology Motorsports vinyl decal for your car. So, I guess instead of dragging this out anymore, let's just show the winners now. All right. The grand prize winner winning the dash cam is Jason Moore. The winner of the t-shirt is Michael Fritz. And the winner of the vinyl decal is Darren Scrub. Now I have all your email addresses, so I'm going to email each one of you. And you have until, I think I said a week to reply with your mailing address, and then after that, if I don't hear from you, I'll have to choose somebody else for each prize. But there you go. There's your winners for the contest. Thank you everyone that entered. Hang around the channel. There's a lot of stuff to watch. We got repair videos, if that's not your thing. We got dash cam videos. We got all kinds of stuff going on. And we'll have more giveaways in the future. So if you've already joined the mailing list, then the people that have joined the mailing list will be the first ones to know. All right. Thank you everyone again for entering. And congratulations. And we'll see you next time.